Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Power on the Croma TV and choose the screen mirroring or Miracast input. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV because the stream travels over that local network. Once done, enable Bluetooth if your device uses it to speed discovery and keep both devices within about 10 meters to avoid dropouts. This prevents initial connection failures and gets you ready to initiate mirroring immediately. Now you initiate the connection. Open your phone's cast, screen mirroring, or control center display option because that's where devices advertise. Tap the Croma TV name that appears. Your TV will usually prompt you to accept. Do that to authorize the link. Once connected, check device display settings to match resolution or orientation, since lowering resolution can reduce lag and improve playback. Make sure media volume and TV input are set, so what you see and hear match immediately. To finish, confirm audio and video sync and start the app or media you want to mirror. You're live. If you notice lag, stop heavy background apps and move closer to the router because network congestion causes most issues. If the TV won't appear after 2 attempts, restart both the TV and your device and check the router. Sometimes a simple reboot clears discovery problems. As a final fallback, use an HDMI adapter. This wired option removes
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.